season. I hate it when summer comes. I'll fall into a trap that I made.
Hello guys, welcome in today's video and thank you for stopping by and deciding to watch this video. On this day, it was on a Sunday and I wanted to take you through my Sunday reset. And I always wash my utensils at night, but I have not been feeling well for the few past days and I wasn't be able to wash the utensils at night, but now I'm better and I will be washing my utensils at night. So I decided to start by washing these utensils that we had used for dinner and make some breakfast, and the rest will follow. So stick around until the end of the video. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. I had soaked these kitchen towels yesterday night and I wanted to clean them at this time. Because I couldn't clean them at that time, I have to soak them with hot water and some powder soap for them to be clean. And if you are new to this channel, welcome, karibu sana. My name is Monica, a mom of two and also a working mom and a Kenyan YouTuber. And in this channel, we do a lot of cooking. We do motivation, we do homemaking, we also do hauls and a little bit of lifestyle. If this is the content you love or you enjoy watching, kindly visit the rest of my videos, watch them and you're gonna like them. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and always sparing your time to watch my video. Be blessed and may God answer your prayers and expand your boundaries. To my gang, guys, you're the best. I love you so much, my premier gang, for always being there with me, watching me during my premiere, sharing me out and liking the video. Thank you so much and may God bless you, bless your channel and bless your families. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to support a girl and God will bless you. Just click that button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow.
And breakfast was ready, and that was what we were having for breakfast. As simple as that, and it was so sweet and so yummy. The family really enjoyed the breakfast. So after having my breakfast, I went to tackle my living room. I wanted to clean it because it was a bit messy and a bit dirty. So I wanted to clean my living room, and I'm going to start with cleaning the windows and the door and returning the shears, because I had cleaned the shears, and I will clean the carpet and the seats. So guys, stick around and let's enjoy the video.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Close your eyes, would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you, I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause across a million seas, would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. Close your eyes, will you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak, got me on delay, 'cause across a million seas, would you do that for me? goddamn world 3 times, and I'd run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I'll go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me? Close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. Close your eyes. Will you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak. Got me on delay, 'cause I cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Goddamn world 3 times, and I'd run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I'll go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me? I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
And I was through with tackling every part of the living room, and I loved the turnout. That is how my living room turned out. Every part was clean, and I really liked it this way. I really like deep cleaning my living room like once a week, and mostly it is on Sunday. Sunday is when I'm free, and it's when I do a lot of the cleaning in the house. I deep clean my bedrooms on Sunday, my living rooms too. I deep cleaned it on Sunday because that time is the time that I have a lot of time. But the rest of the days I'm always busy at work, so I only pass through. I don't deep clean my house. But that was the turnout of my living room. So guys, I bought a TV mount because as I told you, I wanted to mount this TV because at that place it was so risky, and this is it can hold from 23-inch to 65, and it also it can tilt. So yeah, I'm going to wait hubby, and he's going to mount the TV on the wall so that it can be a bit safer there. So guys, my daughter is always there wanting to know more, or maybe he was thinking that it is something that she can eat. So she was there, and yeah, that is how the stand look. It is good, and I loved this stand. So guys, yeah, let's mount the TV. And there was the final result, and I think it is better that way and more safer. So after that, I wanted to make some croissant. I'm gonna try this croissant for the first time. Yeah, I have seen this croissant being made by other YouTubers, and I have never gained the courage of making them because I always see that making this croissant is a lot of work, and I always see them being difficult to make them, but I decided to try and see how I'm gonna make them. So guys, let's see the end result of this croissant. And the ingredient that I used are flour. I also used some sugar. I used egg, but I didn't use the yolk. I just used that water. I didn't use the yellow yolk. So I used eggs. I used some warm water, a pinch of salt, and some cooking oil. Yeah, that is all that I used. I'm gonna leave them in the description box so that if you want to make this croissant, you're gonna check there and try to make some. This is after 20 minutes. I came back to make my dough, and yeah, I'm gonna now cut the dough into the required shape and make the croissant. So guys, stick around and let's make this croissant together. Hope you're gonna learn something from here.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
And this table of mine was so small to make that all dough. The dough was too big, so I decided to get the living room table, because it is a bit bigger and it has a lot of space. So I decided to use this table. Yeah, and it really worked. And my dough was not a perfect circle. Yeah, but for you can try to make a perfect circle. And after that, you split them that way, and then you just roll them. That is how I did. Yeah, that is how I made my croissants.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
I'm gonna leave them for 1 hour, then I will be back and put them in the oven.
'Cause guessing is useless.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow.
And this is after 45 minutes and my croissant were ready. Yeah, and that I loved the turnout. Imagine, the turnout was so good. Being the first time, I really did it. So guys, If you have sticked to that end, may God bless you for sticking up to that end. I don't take that for granted. I just say thank you and be blessed. Until we meet in my next video, bye bye for now. Bye and much love.
But then I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already.